Good day everyone, I'm Borja Andrew from BSIT. Today I will discuss to you this program, the uses and simulation of this code. Line 1 to 2, which is header files, include IOStream, imports the input and output stream library in C++. This allows us to use Cin for the input and Cout for the output. Include string imports the string class needed to use variables of type string, such as for handling user response like yes or no. Good day everyone, I'm Borja Andrew from BSIT. Today I will discuss to you this program, the uses and simulation of this code. Line 1 to 2, which is header files, include IOStream, imports the input and output stream library in C++. This allows us to use Cin for the input and Cout for the output. Include string imports the string class needed to use variables of type string, such as for handling user response like yes or no. And for line 4, namespace using namespace std. This avoid needing to prefix standard library function, and objects like cout, cin, string with std. Without this, you would need to write std, cout, and std, cin, etc. For line 6, which is the main function, int main, this is the entry point of the C++ program. All executions start from here. For the line 7 to 8, variable declaration. Char choice, string try again. Char choice declares a variable to store a single character input from the user, which is choose to A, B, C, D. String try again declares a string variable to store user input, yes or no, to repeat or end the program. For the line 10, begin do-while loop. Start a do-while loop which ensures the program runs at least once, and then repeat if the user chooses to continue. For the line 11 to 15, display menu, which is Cout, choices, Cout A, calculator, B, odd or even number, and C, the highest or lowest number, and D, leap year. Print a menu with 4 different operations. The user can select each option A to D correspond to a specific functionality. For the line 17 to 18, user input for choice, Cout enter your choice, Cin choice. Prompts the user to enter a choice from the menu. The input stored in the choice variable. Since choice is of a type char, it only stores 1 character. Let's proceed to line 20 to 34, which is calculator. This block runs if the user enters small letter A or big letter A. Declares 2 integers number, which is num1 and num2, and prompts the user to enter them, perform and display the addition, subtraction, multiplication. Check for division by 0 before performing division. If num2 is not 0, it divides num1 by num2 and prints the result. If num2 is 0, it prints a warning to avoid a runtime error. For line 38 to 48, which is the odd or even, which is the option B. Execute this block if the user inputs small letter b or big letter B. Prompt the user for an integer. Uses the modulo operator percentage to check if the number is divisible by 2. If divisible, it's even, otherwise it's odd. For the line 50 to 69, which is the highest or lowest number, which is option C, execute if the user chooses small letter c or big letter c. Collects 3 integers from the user. Initialize highest with n1 and compare it with n2 and n3 to find the maximum. Similarly, initialize lowest with n1 and find the minimum value. Output the highest and lowest among the 3 entered number. For line 71 to 93, leap year checker, which is the option D. Execute if the user chooses small letter d or big letter D. A leap year applies rule. A year is a leap year if it is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100. Or, it simplified, it divisible by 400. Outputs the result. Catches and handles and any embodied input not A to D. Ensure the program does not crash in information the user. Ask the user if they want to repeat the program. Store the response in the try again string. So now we will proceed to the output. Let's run our code. Choices: A, calculator; B, odd or even number; C, highest or lowest number; D, leap year. First, we're gonna choose letter A. Enter. Calculator, enter first number, which is 6, and enter the second number, which is 2. Calculator. The sum of 6 and 2 is 8. The difference of 6 and 2 is 4. The product of 6 and 2 is 12. The quotient of 6 and 2 is 3. Do you want to try again? No. Let's try again. Let's run our code. And so now, we choose letter D. Odd or even number. Enter a number. Number 6. 6 is an even number. No. Let's try again. Let's run our code. The choices is A, B, C, and D. And we choose letter C. But now, we type small letter C. Yes, because small letter C or big letter C is true. Highest or lowest number, enter first number. Number 3, the first number. And the second number is 5. And enter the third number, which is 9. 9 is the highest number, 3 is the lowest number. Do you want to try again? No. Let's try again. Let's run our code. So, napansin nyo kanina, small letter C. Because that's true. Or big letter D. Parehas lang sila. Ngayon, small letter D, which is the leap year. Enter a year, 2004. 2004 is a leap year. Do you want to try again? No. Let's try an invalid output. Let's run our code again and again and again. The choices is A, calculator; B. Odd or even number. C. Highest or lowest number. D. Leap year. So, input natin yung wala sa choices, which is letter E. Ano kayang sagot? Let's see. Oh, invalid input. Do you want to try again? No. Thank you for listening and watching.